Hey guys, this is Joshua with the car wash channel of Northern PA. I'm gonna do another car wash video. This is of Go Carwash in Cranberry Township on Route 228. Here's the wash. Here's the tunnel. Now I'm just waiting for the button to be pressed so we can start the wash. Here's the wash. This is a Bellinger tunnel with a McNeil top brush. Just waiting for the attendant to come. Gonna start with our pre-soak. And there's the CPAs and the tire scrubbers. Here comes our top brush. Triple foam. There's the top brush. And we got our side quick fires. There's the low side washer. Hot wax. Then we got our sealer wax, our ceramic, and our spot free. And then dryers. And as always, if you like the content, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I always look forward to responding to comments, so please leave any questions or comments below in the comment section below. And then here's the drying. Thank you guys for watching.